Hey all, today we'll be taking a look at MING Stack, which is MQTT, Influx, Node-RED, and Grafana. For this video, I'll be using Prescient Designer instead of Node-RED. So Prescient makes managing and communicating with your devices or your remote data sources a breeze and very easy. And it comes with its own MQTT broker. Feel free to check out the links in the description to know more about Prescient. But you can also replicate the setup on a standalone Node-RED. Now, I won't be building the flow from scratch. I've already set up everything here. But before going through the flow, I'll explain the architecture and then come back to the flow. So what is a MING stack? So MING stack is basically MQTT. So you need to have an MQTT broker. And as I explained, I'm using Prescient Designer for this, which comes with MQTT broker inbuilt. You need an InfluxDB and a Grafana server and Node-RED. So I'm using Prescient Designer instead of Node-RED. So I've got a Grafana server set up. I've set up the server using Docker. I've also got a cloud version on Influx. So Influx Cloud is free with few limitations. So feel free to set up an account there. Now, as far as Node-RED is concerned, again, I'm using Prescient Designer. And yep, I think that's the whole MING stack. Now, what are we doing here? So I have a device. It's a Jetson Nano, and I'm running Prescient Edge on this Jetson Nano. And this Jetson Nano is hooked to a temperature humidity sensor, which gives us a few more things as well. So that's my Edge setup, and I have InfluxDB running, Grafana running on their own servers, and I'm using Prescient Designer to communicate with this Jetson Nano. So coming to the flow. So now what we'll do is we'll pull data from this sensor here into our Jetson Nano, and then we'll be sending this data over MQTT to Prescient Designer, where we'll be saving everything on Influx, and then using that Influx bucket on Grafana to plot some gauges and some line charts. I hope that makes sense. Easy enough. Now, coming to the flow, I've already got a Jetson device provisioned on the designer, and there are a lot of ways you can add a device to Prescient Designer or add a data source to Prescient Designer. So if you look at our documentation and click Edge Device Setup, you have a bunch of things, a bunch of ways to install Prescient Edge. So you can run a container of Prescient Edge on your device, and once you do any of these steps, your device will show up here. So this is my Jetson Nano. It tells you versions and some other information. Now, if I open my device, I have a sensor connector which connects to my humidity, temperature, and wind sensor. And that sensor spits out a lot of information. So I'm using a function block here to transform the data. So I'm pushing everything that the sensor spits out into its own message parameters. So I have a message.temp, humidity, wind speed, and location. Now, this is happening on the device itself. So once this message goes out to goes out from the device to my cloud, which is Prescient Designer, I'm formatting this data for to be consumed by Influx. So I'm converting, I'm using message.payload and setting up fields and tags for Influx database. And I've already got Influx set up here. So it's my remote Influx, my name of the bucket, name of the measurements, and the configuration is already defined. So once an event occurs on the sensor, it will throw the data out to the device, and the device will send the data to the cloud. So we are getting the data right here. All right, so we can also check the response that's coming out of the device or the sensor. So let's do message.temp, which is a value we assign to the temperature that's coming out of the sensor. So now if I hit deploy, all right, so here you see the current temperature value which we are outputting in this debug block. So this gets triggered every 15 minutes or unless manually injected. So we are pushing data to our sensor data measurement every 15 minutes. So if I come to my Influx database, you can see that we have data being pushed every 15 minutes, and I've been running this since I guess 12-14 hours. So we have humidity, temperature, and wind speed data, and I'm also adding two tags, which is the device and the location. So that is also being saved in the Influx data as well. So now I've already set up a Grafana dashboard for you all. So that pulls the data from Influx and displays it nicely with a line chart, a gauge. So I won't be explaining how I've set this up. You can watch some Grafana tutorials to figure out how to set up a data source, which is fairly easy. So I would say, yeah, that's the MING stack. Feel free to comment on this video if you have any questions. Happy to help.